my hair from straight to curl. Zip up my dress, make sure it's tight. Strap up my heels, go to the mirror. You guys, okay, first of all, like, I am so proud of myself today. Like, I need you guys to just put party emojis, whatever it is, because today I am celebrating something that is so huge and big for me this year. So today marks exactly 1 month of me not eating any chocolate. I mean, I am so proud of myself. I'm somebody that eats chocolate at least every single day. If I'm yeah, I'd say each and every single day. Okay, maybe that's a bit much, but maybe like every maybe 4 times a week or 5 times a week or 7 times. That's probably like, yeah, I eat a lot of chocolate. I'm just so happy that it's been exactly 1 month and I haven't had one chocolate and I can feel it in my skin. Like my skin feels refreshed. I don't have as much pimples as I used to do. So I'm glad that I'm doing this. I'm like, it's one of those things that I'm starting to change about myself. And I'm just glad that I've reached this milestone. And, I'm happy 1 month, but I'm going to get one now. So yeah. And, but like I also, but, okay, but so just because I'm not eating chocolate doesn't mean like I'm not. So basically, I swapped it around. Instead of eating too much chocolate, I've started eating more ice cream, but it's not as excessive as the way as how I used to eat chocolate. Because the way I used to eat chocolate was like crazy. It was like, what is going on? What is going on? So yes, I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Please make sure to leave a like, comment, and whatever. Um, right now I'm going to live stream and mentioning live streaming on Twitch. So I do have a playlist first of all on Spotify. I do have a playlist on Spotify which is called This Is Indie Playlist, and that is where I add all independent artists. Only that's a playlist that is specifically for independent artists. So if you are an independent artist and you would like for me to check your song out and possibly add it, I am more than happy to do so. And then also Twitch, I also do song reviews and shout outs as well. So if you are a musician and you would like for me to, do a shout out or review your song whatsoever, I am more than happy to do so, and I do it for free. So yes. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Good morning. So today I am going to be filming some TikToks, and then I'm going to be live streaming afterwards. So yeah, basically that's what the plan for today is. Now, just, I don't know, I guess I'll take you through the step-by-step process of what I'm doing. Yeah, I've had a very hectic night, so yeah. I am finally done with video 1 and 2, so perfect. Let's go and live stream. So today I am off to the dentist. Gosh, I hate going there, but today I have to go because my wisdoms are giving me issues and they need to go, okay? And then afterwards I went shopping for a trip that I have coming up in a couple of months. Guess where I'm going? It's summer in South Africa. Just write in the comment section where you think I'm going. So yes, and now I am showing you my little fitting experience. Gosh, this is something I hate when it comes to shopping, when outfits just don't fit me properly, or you know, in other places they get so baggy and all that. But yes, I had fun today. Alright, so I'm going to have to stop the vlog here today. I'm just not feeling like myself and I'm in so much pain. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.